synaptic transmission or neuronal transmission. Our brain is composed of about 100 billion neurons. Neuron is the structural and functional unit of the brain. All neurons are interconnected in different pathways. It is a typical neuron. It's composed of cell body, dendrites, nucleus, axonal terminal. The axon is surrounded by myelin sheath, which is made of Schwann cells. It is responsible for the rapid conduction of signals. It has cytoplasm containing different organelles, the Golgi apparatus, smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria. And its function is to organize the cell. This is another same neuron. So these neurons are attached with each other, connected with each other, but there is no physical contact. Instead, there is a cleft which is called synapse. In the synapses, there are chemical or electrical signal transmission, which are transmitting different messages from one part of the brain to different part of the brain. Now, this is the typical neuron. This is the cell body. This is the nucleus, which controls whole function of the cell. It contains genes. These are dendrites, small fibers which are connected with different other neurons. This is the node of Ranvier, where ion diffusion takes place. This is the myelin sheath, which is made of Schwann cells. It is responsible for the rapid conduction. This holds the typical neuron, the dendrites, the nucleus, the myelin sheath, node of Ranvier, and this is the synaptic cleft. This is the synapse, synaptic junction. Now we want to demonstrate what is synapse. Synapse is the contact between one neuron and another neuron, but there is no physical contact. This is the presynaptic terminal of the axon. It has different enzymes, material for the formation of neurotransmitters, and vesicles containing neurotransmitters. This is the postsynaptic terminal having postsynaptic receptors. This is the presynaptic terminal of the axon, where nerve conduction is generated. This is the synaptic cleft, a place between the presynaptic and postsynaptic terminal. This is the postsynaptic terminal, either dendrite or cell body of another neuron. These are the receptors, postsynaptic receptors. These are the vesicles containing the neurotransmitters. When the electrical signal is generated, it releases the neurotransmitters from the vesicles. They act on the postsynaptic receptors and they create an action potential in the postsynaptic neuron. The remaining neurotransmitters are either having enzymatic degradation or they are reuptaken.